smoky chicken shawarma pittas. Sounds pretty good, yeah? I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Very simple ingredients, a few herbs and spices. Let's get to it. For the shawarma blend, we have got all these lovely ingredients. So starting from the top to bottom, we've got half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of paprika, quarter teaspoon or a pinch of cinnamon, quarter teaspoon or a pinch of cumin, and chili flakes. Now this is optional and it's to taste. Normally it's about a quarter of a teaspoon. I've gone for a teaspoon because I have nails and I like a bit of spice. And then we've got the juice of half a lemon in a lovely flamingo egg cup. Obviously that's optional. And then here we need some oil. I always go with rapeseed oil, as you guys know. Prefer it over the traditional olive oil. It's a third of the price or even a quarter of the price these days. And it's a lot less intrusive on the palate. And then you've got your chicken fillets. They don't look very appetizing there, I've got to say. However, let's get them transformed. So we're going to be adding those to that, and we're going to sit it for at least 2 hours. I'm going to do it overnight. So getting these, what we're doing is put them all together and then give it a bit of a mixy. Make sure all that chicken has got all the flavours in there. Love a bit of chicken, especially spiced chicken. Don't know about you guys. We're going to marinate this overnight. Oh, nearly forgot my flamingo. There we go. Flamingo juice, lemon juice in. We're just going to toss all that over, make sure all the chicken is nicely coated. And like I say, you can do this for a minimum of 2 hours. I'm doing it at 6:15 at night, knowing that I'm going to marinate it overnight. Kind of like my overnight oats. Now that is looking and smelling divine. Even though it's not cooked, it looks amazing. You're probably going to disagree, but the smell is incredible. I'm going to whack that in the bag that it came in. Stick it in the fridge. I'll be back to finish the rest tomorrow. Don't worry, I'm not going to lick these fingers. I'm back and I've got my chicken in a bag ready to go in the oven. Baking tray, foil, you can use parchment paper, baking paper, whichever you fancy. I'm going to stick my chicken on there, stick it in the preheated oven, which is at 180 degrees. Stick it on, stick it in, and then I'm going to be doing my salad items and some amazing banging sauce to go with it. Okay, so for the sauce, we have 2 spoons of natural yogurt, Greek yogurt. Literally just a squeeze of garlic to taste. And then half a lemon juice. Pour that in, mix it together. Oh, that is lovely. Now for the salad items, I'm just adding cucumber, sliced iceberg lettuce, and then, because I'm me and I like a bit of spice, some jalapenos. I'm going to drizzle it with chili sauce as well, but I'm not going to put the chili sauce in the actual mixture because the kids are going to eat it as well and don't want it too spicy for them. So I'm going to add jalapenos to mine, cucumber, lettuce, and that lovely sauce drizzled over with some hot sauce. 5 minutes left on the chicken. Just put a pitta in the oven just to toast it through. Take about 5 minutes to cook. Once that's done, we remove it, shred it, slice open a pitta, and then we get to taste it. Chicken out of the oven. Hoo-wee! It smells delicious. Just slicing over your pitta, get a couple of forks, and we're just shredding the chicken. Look at that. Chicken nicely shredded. Get your yogurt and lemon garlic sauce. Don't be shy with it. It's tasty. Into the pitta. Woo! Get your hot chicken. And then a bit of lettuce. A few pieces of cucumber. I want jalapenos if you're using them. This is banging. Absolutely banging. Couldn't even give it 10 out of 10 because it's higher. So simple to do. And most of the prep was done last night. Get one down you. Let me know in the comments below what you think and if you tried it. I'll be back soon with some kind of recipe, I guess. Drop us a like and subscribe if you would. It'd make my day.